Today we're going to go over my 30% off weekend tool haul that I picked up at the last weekend here of January of 2026. That's coming up next year on Just CB Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Well, we are here at the end of January, and here in Northwest Ohio, it's a nice balmy 14 degrees in here. If you guys don't know, I film and do all my work in a pole barn, and there is absolutely no heat in here except for a little electric heater I got sitting over here. But this is where I do all my filming, and I wanted to show you guys what I got because this is a perfect example why this 30% off is a good time to snag some of this stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, the first thing I picked up is actually the second thing I picked up. If you guys know, this is on Insta Savings, and I picked it up earlier in the week, and then they came out with this sale. So when I went back today, I bought another one. So what this was, it was $9.99, and it dropped it down to $6.99, saving you $3 on it because Insta Savings is just a new low price. So you can use the 30% off discount on these. At least you can at my Harbor Freight. Now, the second thing I picked up here, and this finishes out all the Icon pliers for under $20 that they have right now. And it's always been a huge disappointment for me because they got like 3 to 5 other pliers that are $21.99. And if they dropped them down to $19.99, I'd be able to snag them up too. But this is the last one I needed for when they run a sale like this. And I got the 10-inch multi-slip joint parrot nose pliers here. These should come in handy, give you a kind of a good look at it. But these are, I'm going to grab my receipt here because I don't remember offhand. All right, on these right here, these were $19.99, and they dropped to $13.99 with the 13% off. Not a bad deal at all. Now, the third thing I picked up here is going to be the Doyle razor blade here. This is the professional flip utility knife. I've been wanting one of these. This is kind of like the Milwaukee copy with a push button right here. Really wanted one of those, and I was waiting for another deal like this to pick them up because these usually, I don't think I've seen these on sale that often. So when a 30% off anything under 20 comes around like this, it's a good time to snag that up. There you go to get a nice good look at it so you guys can see here. And of course, all these have got lifetime replacements on it. And let's see if I can find these here. These were $9.99, got them for $6.99 with a 30% off. Not a bad deal. Now, I always tell you guys, when they do a 30% off like this, anything under 20, it is a great time to pick up consumables. And what I picked up here was some Permatex anti-seize here. I use a bunch of this. Just like recently, I had to do both front wheel bearings on my 05 Subaru Legacy. And the ones that came off were really hard because they were all rusted. So what I do is I put anti-seize on the shaft of the axle so it don't get locked into the hub bearing, and then the mating surface of the hub bearing to the steering knuckle. I use a lot of this when I do hub bearings to keep it from seizing on there. So I absolutely love this stuff and like buying it by the jar. So the price on this one, let's see, right up on top, $11.49 normally. I paid $8.04 on it with the 30% off. Now, the last thing I picked up here is more consumables, and what I picked up was some earplugs. But I do not use these to put in my ears. What I actually use these for is when I'm changing calipers, and instead of just letting the brake hose sit there and leak all the fluid out, you stick one of these into your brake hose and it'll keep it from leaking. Works very well. Now on these are normally $4.99, and it's a 50 pack. I got it for $3.49 with the 30% off. This is, like I said, great time to get consumables like this. I had to change a caliper on my daughter's car, and I used my last one for that. So I needed to pick some of these up, and as soon as I found out about this sale, that was first thing on my list to get. So there you go. There's my little tool haul from the 30% off weekend at Harbor Freight. To me, it definitely pays to be an ITC member because if you're not ITC, you got to have the coupon, and it's only for $10 and below for 30% off. I mean, pretty much with just a couple of these sales, or even if you go and get the free items, you're going to make up that $30 for that ITC membership in no time. And I absolutely love it because as before, I show you guys like in the Insta Savings, when we have videos like this with the 30% off, anything under that $20 on that Insta Savings, that's just a new low price. So you can use the 30% off on top of that. And that's a great deal and a great time to snag stuff up. So thank you for watching, and as always, don't forget to check the links out down below. Down there I have a link tree that has affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God, and and I'll see you all on the next one.